pentatonic scale is taken from the major scale. So if you know a C major scale, for example, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, you can extract the pentatonic scale from there. And how you do that is you take the first, second, third, fifth and sixth notes from the scale. So the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 from a major scale. And those notes create the pentatonic scale. So in this case, in C major, the C major pentatonic scale is C, D, E, that's the 1, 2, 3, and then G and A is the 5 and 6. So C, D, E, G, A, that's the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And that's how you create a major pentatonic scale. So by knowing your major scales, you can work out what your pentatonic scales are. What's the purpose of a pentatonic scale? Well, it gets used compositionally in lots of pieces, and it's also a very useful tool to have in your belt when you come to improvise. Especially in pop, soul, funk type music, it gets used an awful lot, so it's a really useful scale to get your fingers around.